Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. We'll take us through the remote user interface of imageRUNNER 2635. So open your browser and type the IP address of the device. Authenticate yourself as an administrator in order to have then admin access. So click cancel from the next menu. So this is what your remote user interface. Towards your right hand side you have all the main menus. So the status, monitor, settings and all other settings towards the right hand side. When you click status, the status will have copy, send, receive jobs, store jobs and all error information, consumable related informations and device features, what device you have, what accessories has been added. So everything can be viewed from the remote user interfaces. Counter as well. Then go to settings and registrations. This is the area where you will work on more. So the paper settings, which is related to the paper, what paper in the drawer, and time region settings. It based on your country, your time zone. You can modify the time zone. It's very important to set the correct time zone. Network settings will have all network related settings including IP address, DNS, SMTP, MAC address. Whenever you would be required to change any settings, this is a place you will work on in order to change the respective network credentials. External settings, it's like external USB. If you want to use USB storage or card reader, this is the place you would like to enable the settings. On audible, this is increasing your tone settings. And function, under function you have common settings, which is common for most of the functions related operations. And also you have specific functions like printer. In the printer you have a respective settings which is corresponding to the printer, and also send. This is a place where you can key in your SMTP and your email server, authentication credentials, everything. And receive and forward, mainly for receive and forward function, and store and access to access the store media. So here you have to enable this too in order to use the USB drive into the machine. Otherwise the USB device will not be recognized. Then destination, where you can set your destination for scanning methods and other functionality for LDAP. And management settings related to complete management. User management, you can create a multiple users and give them a specific credentials. You can make them into group and give them a particular functionality which is associated to that particular group. And control panel, you can tell the control panel what to be stored, is normal or any print management install that can boot up and start with the print management application itself. Authentication server information as well. Device management, this is a place where you can deal with your entire device operations, including like certificates and other stuff. Then license and others, this is sometimes really helpful, like if you want to enable the remote user or remote operation viewer, everything can be done in this particular licensing others. If customer need any other additional license, this is a place where you will be enabling the license. Also access management system, which helps create an access for the particular users. And add-on setting, this machine comes on the add-on platform. You give an access to specific functions like Uniflow or Scan2X or therefore whatever it is. And data management, this is where you can play with your data. Also the security settings. Then memory box is something what you store in the machine to retrieve it back, that you can get it from RUI. And direct print, this print you just point to a particular file, it automatically prints without a driver. We call as a driverless printing. Also XPS is a specific format which needs to be configured. Address book, which will be used for the scanning and send purpose. So it has a 3: email, iFax and file. You can configure respectively. And service management service, this is where you will be adding to a third-party applications like Uniflow, Papercat, whatever the application you're going to install. Basically we call as an add-on application platform, where you will have to install your license file and the source file. Automatically the installation begin. So normally the user authentication will start when you install the application, print management application, that will take over of this particular user management. Refer the manual before you do any kind of changes on the management settings, because those settings are very sensitive. It can affect the device performance. So it is always advisable to refer and do it practically. Then user setting information service. Also this is a part of the service which will related with the user management. So IR2630 is quite compatible with any kind of network infrastructure. So please familiarize yourself before you do any changes. Hope you like this clip. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another interesting clip.